So at workplace, we can do eye breast screenings for breast cancer detection. It can be done under 5 minutes. Can be done on site completely. Then we can do blood tumor marker tests. Those are sample based. So a phlebo can come at the client place and collect the sample of the people, and later on give them the reports when they are ready. So two things. One we can do is for breast screening, we can do eye breast examination, we can do pap smear also at the workplace, and we can do tumor marker tests also. Those are blood based. So these can be done on site. I think prevention is better than cure. And there are tumor marker tests. So what happens in tumor marker tests, people? So please understand, there are certain substances or proteins that we identify in the blood. They are released when there is a cancer, by the cancer cells itself or by the body in response to those cancer cells. But they give us a sort of warning, that something is wrong, and then you can go for the further investigation. So if I have to provide you an example or analogy, consider it like, the tumor marker tests to be like your smoke alarms, right? So smoke alarms go on when there is smoke in the house. Now, smoke can be because of fire also, or because of a burnt toast also. So basically, it tells you that there is something wrong, and then you can go for further screenings also. But they are important because they give you some information that something is going on in the body, and you need to take a proactive approach to, sort of detect those things.